Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Ming Lee. So today we're doing a booty workout. Basically how to get your butt bigger and get ready for the summer. So you're gonna come with me so I can show you a few exercises that I do to grow my butt. So, the first one is going to be standing kickbacks. I do 3 sets of 10. And basically just always squeeze when you are doing any type of booty workout. This is what gets the glutes growing. Okay, so for this exercise, it's standing side hip adductions. So all you're doing is basically using your body weight, and you see me using a band just to push your leg out to the side. It's going to work your hips. That's what gets the booty rounder, and it works on your balance as well. And these are bent knee kickbacks. You do 3 sets of 10 for these as well. Make sure you keep your glutes tight and your core tight as well. That's what's going to help grow your butt and slim your waist. And take your time with this exercise. Don't rush because you need to feel that burn at the top. So this exercise is kind of like a kneeling curtsy, I would call it. What you're doing is basically a regular kickback, but you're crossing over your body, so you can feel it in basically your lower butt, your higher butt, and your mid butt as well. And basically, you guys, for every single exercise, you're doing 3 sets of 10. As you progress, you can start upping your reps and upping your sets, or you can just up your reps and keep your sets the same. So these are called fire hydrants. What you really want to do is focus most of your weight and most of the pressure on your arms, so when you're lifting your leg, you can actually feel that burn and feel the work in your butt. So these are one of my favorites, you guys. The laying kickbacks that go across your body. I mean, these ones really target your butt and lifting the butt. It's really hard to get that minimus, the under butt basically, and get it lifted, but these really work that. So these are glute bridges, and with glute bridges you really want to make sure you keep your core tight and you make sure you squeeze your butt. I like using this band while doing it, and as you can see my toes are off the ground. When you do that, it really makes sure you're pushing through your heels to feel it all in your butt. So with banded sumo walks, you guys, you want to make sure you stay at 90 degrees or keep as low as you can, and make sure your knees do not go over your toes. As you can see, I kind of do a bounce at the end of every step, but that's only so I can really feel the burn in my butt. So with the bended side shuffle, just make sure you're staying low, your knees are not going over your toes, and you do it slowly so you can really feel that burn. And so these are your basic weighted squats. I am using a 35-pound weight. And so what you want to do is make sure you go down as low as you can, come up and squeeze your glutes, keep your form right, so do not let those knees go over your toes, and keep your back straight. And now these are just some regular lunges. When I'm going down, I'm making sure that I'm pushing off with my heel so I can feel all the pressure in my glutes instead of in my toes. When you're working with your toes, you're going to really feel it in your calves more so. So do it with your heels and you'll feel it more in your butt. And what really helps your butt poke out is slimming down the waist. So with this plank exercise where you're just going side to side, it'll help slim that waist down. So yeah, when I'm on the stair machine, I do a lot of different exercises to target different parts of my booty. So you can just actually watch and see the exercises that I do. Side ones really help target the side booty, and kicks really help lift that butt. to watch this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. But please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see y'all.